3 DIY hacks that saved me hundreds of dollars. Every single one of them, they were built with stuff we already had laying around. No fancy gear, no expensive kits, just simple systems that actually work. So if you're trying to grow food, raise animals, or build a homestead without bleeding all your money, then this video right here is gonna save you time, stress, and cash. I'm gonna show you 3 builds that we actually use around here. Not theory, not any Pinterest junk. Real systems that have popped off for us still work today. Stick around until the end because the last one completely eliminated daily watering for us. Let's start with the cheapest and most overlooked hack: compost in a bucket. You see, most people, they think that compost needs all this space, bins, tumblers, or some fancy setup. But it doesn't. This is a regular bucket. Holes drilled into the bottom, kitchen scraps, and dry material. That's it. This single bucket replaces having to buy bagged compost or soil, which, let's be honest, adds up pretty fast. You see, the trick is balance. Greens for your nitrogen, browns for your carbon, and a little bit of air at the bottom. See, you don't need perfection, you just need consistency. And that's exactly the kind of thing that Homestead teaches you. Stop buying solutions, start building them yourself. And then once you got the healthy soil, the next problem, how to protect your plant. This next one, it surprised a lot of people, myself included. A greenhouse made from plastic bottles. See, plants, they don't die from cold. They die from frost and wind. This helps to trap the heat, block the frost, protects from pests, and creates a microclimate for free. You see, it works the same way that a real greenhouse would, just smaller and way cheaper. During the day like this, heat, it builds up. At night, it releases slowly. That temperature buffer makes all the difference. We use this trick to extend seasons and save entire crops. But even with healthy soil and protected plants, watering can still eat up all your time. This last hack, it changed everything for us. Daily watering, it's one of the fastest ways to burn out. But this DIY auto watering system, it uses gravity and simple parts. No electricity, no timers, and no subscription. It waters slowly, consistently, and only when it needs it. You see, plants, they don't need floods. They need consistency. And this hack, it saved us time, water, and a whole bunch of stress. And our plants, they've never been healthier. Now look at that, store quality for $0. All you have to do is run over your yard waste with your mower, and that's it. Shreds it down to a nice, perfect mulch. It's free, it's fast, and you're not handing your money over to the same system that wants you to stay on a treadmill. Now make sure that your mower's bag is attached. That way it collects it all clean. If you got an electric mower, like I do, quiet, efficient, you're already winning. Truth is, you probably already have everything you need right in your yard. Twigs, branches, leaves. Nature's waste is nature's wealth. Let me give you 2 tips real quick so you won't jam your mower. Let all your sticks dry out for about a day or 2. That way they'll snap clean and they shred faster. Make sure your pile is long and narrow. Push forward, back up, and kind of cross cut. If your mower has height settings like mine does, start at the highest notch, then lower it for a finer second pass. You want a compost friendly texture. Think cornflake size, not big chunk. And here's a nice pro mix for a nice powerful mulch. Blend your shredded browns with a touch of green, sort of like a 3-to-1 ratio. The browns will keep the structure and the cover, while the greens will add a little bit of nitrogen to help it all break down. Remember, it's mulch first, not hot compost, so keep your greens light. All of these 3 hacks that we showed you today, they all have one thing in common. They replace buying with building. Now right there, that's what homesteading is all about. Not doing everything the hard way, but doing things the smart way. Like my grandpappy always used to tell me, work smarter, not harder. So if this helped you out in any way, well then we got a whole bunch more builds back on the channel where it's our mission around here to teach anybody out there who wants this lifestyle how simple it really can be. And that by the grace of God, there's always a plan. So thank you all for tuning into the channel, and thank you all for watching another video here on Mundo's Homestead Adventures. I'll see y'all next week.
Peace.